guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm showing you how to target the best economic program administration leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So I'm going to select small businesses, and today we are targeting in Washington, D.C., as this is a hot spot for finding the best economic program administration leads in the country. They like the best talent would be in Washington. So I'm going to hit add to select that. I'm going to go next, and we are looking for economic program administration. Our sanity check shows us some companies that, would show up on our lead sheet. These look about right, so I'm going to add them, and I hit next to lock that in. We're looking for owners and founders, and we're looking for directors and executives. We are just targeting one lead, but in case the owner has a C-suite title, it'll cover for this case. For filters today, we are just going to do the Google reviews. We want to know if they're between a 3 and a 5, because this just shows that they have good relationships with their clients, good relationships with their customers, and they will strive to have a good relationship with you. And the benefit for you is that they'll just be easier companies to work with. You don't want somebody who's hard to deal with or fussy. So with that being said, I'm going to hit next to lock that in. We're going to go to our delivery step. I'm going to reset all of these, and I'm going to go ahead and select all these. Let's say you're coming from this, like let's say I'm a digital marketing agent or digital marketer, and I am trying to find metrics that, will basically take my 100 good leads to 20 great leads. The ones to do that here are my, Google review score, Google review count, GMB profile. GMB claims a huge one. If these programs don't have if these businesses don't have their business claimed on Google, like that's an ideal, like, hey, I see a problem and I'm your solution guy, which is a great way to get an easy sale, an easy client. So social media is a good one. I feel like this industry doesn't super care about social media, but let's say like they're spending money on social media to sort of market themselves, and they're just not putting any work on SEO. You as a marketer would know that's obviously not super advantageous in this industry. So again, another easy solution that you present them, or another problem that you present them as you being the solution to. So revenue, headcount, data established, always great metrics for just determining who you want to work with, and giving you some insight. Revenue is always such a great one. Like if you see that this company has a lot of revenue coming in, then that they'll be able to pay for your services for a good 12 to 18 months instead of 3 to 6 months, for example. Ad pixels are great. Google Analytics, e-commerce, WordPress, page speed, and your SEO terms. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in, and I'm going to finish up here. Name it, title, EPA in Washington, D.C., give it the context required. I always save a draft. I save a draft because in case I launch it and then I realize I want to go back and change something, I'm not starting from scratch. With that being said, I am going to launch it because this is locked in. And as you can see, EPA in Washington, D.C., it's allocating, which means that our team has it, and you'll get your lead sheet within 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best economic program administrators using Coldlytics. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.